Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying addressing. Check your device IP, subnet mask, and default gateway so you know where traffic should go. Once done, power cycle the modem and router. Unplug, wait 60 seconds, then restore power to clear transient faults. Make sure to connect one device via Ethernet and test. This immediately tells you if Wi-Fi is the problem or if the issue is upstream. If the wired link works, you can focus on wireless settings next. You now run active tests. Ping the gateway and a public IP like 8 to measure latency and packet loss. These numbers tell you whether packets escape your LAN. Then run traceroute to reveal the hop where delays or timeouts occur, which helps pinpoint ISP or internal routing problems. Make sure to verify DHCP lease status, DNS server entries, and MTU settings, because misconfigurations, you implement targeted fixes. Renew the DHCP lease or set a static IP, switch to reliable DNS or flush cache, adjust MTU if fragmentation appears, and update firmware on routers. Once applied, reboot affected devices and immediately rerun ping and traceroute to confirm restoration. If problems persist, collect logs and packet captures, then contact your ISP with timestamps and evidence. That makes escalation effective. One troubleshooting tip. If connectivity is intermittent, monitor for patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.